Hi, what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan alternative to mayonnaise. This recipe is going to be very basic, so if you want to add garlic, chili, whatever, make your own flavor. So I'm going to teach you how to make the base and then you go from there. Let's go over the list of ingredients. Sunflower oil, unsweetened, unflavored soy milk, apple cider vinegar, mustard, salt, pepper. Now that my mise en place is ready, I'm going to start by incorporating and mixing my condiments into my vinegar. So I have the mustard, salt, and pepper, and the vinegar. I'm going to set this on the side and let's add the milk. So again, I am using unsweetened, unflavored soy milk. If you're not following a plant-based diet, you can use any milk, whole milk, 2% milk. Oil and the vinegar. Okay, so the mayo's ready. If you like a more liquid consistency, just add maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. It will thicken a little bit once you put in the refrigerator, and I'm going to give you a close-up so you can see the consistency. As for the vinegar, you can use also lemon or lime juice. I'm using, again, apple cider vinegar. And there you have it, your vegan mayonnaise. I already sterilized the container, and now you can keep in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. It's not going to spoil even though you have milk, because oil is a method of preservation. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is how you help support the channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.